Scams, drugs, stolen credit cards. That's the story you know, the cartoon version. But behind the legend is a marketplace. And in any marketplace where there is demand, entrepreneurs will build a supply. What we found wasn't just crime, it was commerce, a distorted mirror of our own economy, built in the shadows. This isn't about how to do it, this is about how it's done. I'm Leo Thorne. Welcome to the Verified Records. Tonight, we're moving beyond the headlines to analyze the business models. We've studied court documents, seized vendor logs, and cybersecurity reports to map three unconventional economies where people aren't just making money, they're building fortunes on the dark web. The afterlife economy, selling ghosts. Our first case study begins not with a living customer, but with a dead one. In the legitimate world, identity theft targets the living. On the dark web, a sophisticated niche has emerged, the identity harvesters. These operators use automated bots, or scrapers, to target three key sources: online obituaries, social media memorial pages, and public probate court filings. They're not looking for memories, they're compiling dossiers. A complete package, known as a full Z in the underground, includes the deceased's full name, date of birth, social security number, last known address, and often names of surviving family members. This isn't sold as a single identity. It's broken into specialized offerings. Credit history is sold to one buyer looking to apply for loans. The clean SSN is sold to another, needing a synthetic identity to attach to a fake persona. The deceased's untouched medical record might be sold to someone seeking expensive, fraudulent treatments. One death can fuel over $250,000 in various frauds. The top vendors in this space operate with chilling customer service. They offer warranties if the SSN is found to be active, meaning the death wasn't properly reported. They'll provide a replacement. They have tiered pricing, a basic fresh obit package, a premium probate-confirmed package with deeper financial history. It's a morbid, but meticulously run data brokerage. The parasite market, hijacking trust. If the first economy preys on the end of life, the second sabotages the trust systems of daily life. We're talking about the review and reputation cartels. Go to any major dark web forum marketplace, and you'll find dedicated sections for Amazon services, Google My Business, and App Store rankings. Here, vendors don't sell physical goods, they sell influence. For a few $100s, you can buy 50 verified purchase, 5-star Amazon reviews. For a few thousand, a vendor will deploy a network of bots and compromised accounts to bury your competitor's product with 1-star ratings, destroying their business overnight. This isn't one person with multiple Gmail accounts. These are organized panels. They control thousands of aged Amazon accounts, purchased from previous data breaches or built slowly over years to appear legitimate. They use residential proxy networks to make each review appear to come from a different, real household IP address across the globe, evading Amazon's fraud detection. A single top-tier review vendor can pull in over $100,000 a month from sellers desperate to win the Amazon buy box. This creates a shadow war where success on platforms like Amazon, Yelp, or the App Store is no longer about product quality, but about who can afford the best dark web manipulation service. It corrupts the fundamental trust every online shopper relies on. The legal shield, the anonymous corporation. Our final case study is the most legally complex. It answers a simple, critical question for dark web entrepreneurs. How do you cash out? Converting anonymous Bitcoin into spendable, clean cash without attracting law enforcement attention is the single hardest problem. This created a service industry, the crypto laundry. A dark web drug vendor has 50 Bitcoin from sales. They can't just deposit it into a bank. Enter the Mixer or Tumblr service, advertised openly on hidden forums. For a 2 to 5% fee, these services take the vendor's dirty coins, pool them with coins from thousands of other users, including legitimate privacy-conscious users, and then return clean coins from a different, unrelated address. It severs the blockchain trail. But the true fortune isn't in mixing, it's in the off-ramp. The highest tier money makers are the drop chain architects. They build complex networks of seemingly legitimate shell companies, often registered in permissive jurisdictions overseas. These companies appear to be in e-commerce, consulting, or IT services. The cleaned crypto is used to pay these fake companies for services never rendered. The shell company then deposits this now legitimized crypto into a business bank account, pays expenses to another shell company, and finally issues a salary or dividend to the criminal mastermind, now appearing as a legitimate international business person. Setting up and managing this entire legal financial firewall is a service that can cost millions but protects hundreds of millions in profit. These three examples, harvesting the dead, weaponizing reviews, and laundering through legality, reveal a crucial truth. The dark web isn't a digital Wild West. It's a specialized service economy. It identifies friction in the legitimate world, slow death reporting, flawed review systems, traceable money, and builds a black market solution. The individuals at the top of these chains aren't stereotypical hackers in basements. They are logistics coordinators, data analysts, and compliance experts who just happen to apply their skills to illegal ventures. They run HR, handle customer support disputes, and worry about brand reputation on hidden forums. Understanding this is more important than fearing it, because these economies only exist where our own systems are vulnerable, where death records are public but not instantly updated, where platform algorithms are easily gamed, where financial trails can be obscured by layers of paperwork. They aren't just making money from the dark web. They're making money from our web's weakest points.